Yo, what's up, YouTube? Yee! Slim Pig with another, blog about my 2003 Toyota Matrix XRS. Yeah, let's go. It's my Trinity. And this blog is basically about buying some, cool parts for my ride. I bought it from NorCal Sally Shop. Yeah, there you go, boy. Yeah, I hooked up with him and buy a couple of parts from him to go with my ride for my Trinity. Let's go look at the goodies. Yeah. There you go. This is I think they're called door sill. Yup. This door sill goes from left and one goes to the right, and basically you put them on the side. I think this one is this the left one? Yeah, this one is the left one, so it's gonna go like this, and this one is the right one, I believe, because it says RH, so maybe RH is right hand front. So these will go to the door, on the side door. And these are called door sill, I guess, for a Toyota Corolla XRS. Yeah, you can't get this from a Matrix or the Celica, and you can only get it from the Toyota Corolla one, XRS, which I originally wanted, but since I saw the Matrix, I fell in love with the Matrix XRS. So, but this one can also fit. I hear that some parts of the Celica and also some parts of the Toyota Corolla XRS and GTS, those ones, they all can go and fit towards the Matrix. I was wondering, like, okay, what about the Matrix? What do they got to offer? What goodies they offer? But I'm thinking, they're utilitarian, and you can put these side and let it go down and have plenty of trunk room. I think that's what the Matrix offers, you know what I mean, out of the the 2ZZ GE family vehicles, you know what I'm saying. So these door seals are gonna be slapped on in a little bit, and this is not like how to do, it's just my blog about my Toyota Matrix XRS. Yeah. All right, so I took out the original door sill right here. Okay, so I took it from right there, and right there. Basically, there's these brackets, I guess. There's 3 of them. And you just it's pretty easy. Just get a screwdriver and just play with it and push it, and once you push it from here, you pull it up. So this is the original right here, and I'm gonna put the XRS door sill from a Toyota Corolla XRS, I believe. And it's gonna go like this. Yeah, look at that. Hella beautiful. Did I say hella beautiful? Yes, I did. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up first, and then we're gonna put it on. All right, so I got it on. There she is. It looks nice, huh? Cleaned it up a little bit. There was like a big old scratch right here, but this is more than 20 years ago, so yeah, try to keep it clean as possible. But yeah, it looks dope. Look at that. It was better than this one right here. This was the original, and now it's like that. Wow. This is a simple upgrade for XRS folks out there. This is definitely must have You know what I mean? So when they open your door, they know it's a XRS. All right, so I'm gonna do the left side. It's not really difficult to do it. There's 3 brackets right here, one in the middle and one right there. And I just use a minus screwdriver and basically just pop it open like that, and then you're able to see it. Well, yeah, it's right there. So you see that hole right there? There's gonna be 3 of them, and it's very easy. Anyone can do this. You just take 1, 2, and 3, and that's it. Try to be very careful not to snap it. So when you do these things, be very careful not to snap those brackets, so you know you could able to install them. I'm gonna install this one and see the final product. All right, so here are the door seal on the left side. Give it a nice quick wipe. Well, not quick, but I rubbed this hella good, but you know, there's a few scratches, but this is like, you know, more than 20 years of, you know, of door seal right here. So it is in good shape. Look how cool that is. Yeah, so when you open the door, that's right, when you open it, it's an XRS, boy. Yep. Let's go look at the other side. Here's Trinity right here. Look at this beautiful car. There she is. All right, let's look at the other door seal. Bow, look at that. XRS, boy. Yeah, looking beautiful. And here are the stock ones. So yeah, this is it. This is a door seal on a 2003 Toyota Matrix XRS. But these ones came off from a Toyota Corolla XRS. I don't know what year, but I got it by a seller called NorCal Selly Shop. Oh boy, cool dude. But yeah, this is it. Hope you like the video, and as I keep going, hopefully I can, you know, send more videos that are fun. And you know, this is not like a how-to-do video or anything like that, because you know, it's not like I'm taking out like an engine apart or anything like that. Anything like useful or informative, but this is just like for fun, and I learn as I go. Yeah, this is Slim Pig. Once again, have fun out there with your ride. The XRS family. Yee! Peace out.